Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Begin by opening the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the RI tile. At the top of the screen, select the Issue tab. Here, you can view previously submitted issues as well as raise new ones. To submit a new issue, tap on the Submit New Issue button. On the submission form, select the issue category. Choose the specific issue. Upload relevant images using the camera or gallery. Enter a remark or description explaining the issue. Once all details are filled in, tap the Submit Issue button. A confirmation message will appear, Issue submitted. That's it! Your issue has now been successfully raised. Now let's see how to close the issue. On the issue screen, you'll find a list of all your previously raised issues. To close an open issue, tap on the issue from the list. Then tap the Mark Closed button. You'll receive a confirmation message. Issue closed. That's it. You've now learned how to raise new issues and manage existing ones directly within the RI module of the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.